Welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you my first real truck. And there it is. The first thing you'll notice about my truck is that it is very small. It's a 16th scale and it's remote controlled. And it has a real controller that I can adjust the speed. It has a brake and it can steer more than just one or the other way. It has steering adjustment and speed adjustment, and you can adjust it so it turns it the other way if you feel like doing that. Now I'm going to show you that it is fast. And it can drift. This truck has independent suspension and four-wheel drive. And the battery lasts almost 45 minutes if you have it on a slower speed. If you have it fast, it only lasts about 10 minutes. It also can do some pretty good J-turns. If you're in the rocks, you can make it do donuts. Here, I'm gonna show you some of the off-roading it can do. And here, we're going to have a jump. So at top speed, this thing can go almost 30 miles an hour. Here I can show you that it can crawl up stuff. It's easier to go off-road when it's going down than up with this thing. When it's doing its drifts, it's spinning all four of the wheels I might try to make a video of drifting with it, which is what I've been practicing. The tires are pretty much to scale. They really don't have, they're not that hard at all, which they're really good for getting traction on, but it still can spin them. And the suspension really works. It's really loose, so it, probably not loose is the right word, but it's really squishy. Also, if you want to see a video like Gymkhana with this thing, leave a like on the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. If you want to see the link to this product, I'll post it in the video description. Welcome to this video. Today, I got a truck. Oops. Welcome to this video. Today, I'm gonna... Nope.